Hey, what's up guys, we are back with a new video. So guys, finally it is confirmed that Nothing phone is going to have Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset ahead of the July 12 launch. The new development comes days after Nothing started rolling out invite-only pre-orders for its first phone. Nothing Phone 1 will also carry a transparent back to differentiate its arrival in the market. Like, there is no phone around the market that will compete to the Nothing Phone 1. The Nothing Phone 1 will include distinctive LED design, which is called cliff interface. OnePlus co-founder Kalpi last year announced Nothing Company as a new technology company and launched the Nothing Ear 1 as its first truly wireless stereo TWS earbuds. So finally, Kalpi told Input Mag that Nothing Phone would come with Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset. The chipset was unveiled in October last year in 2021, which was upgraded to the existing chipset, that is Snapdragon 778G. The Qualcomm is said to added support for wireless charging and reverse wireless charging to the chipset, especially for the Nothing Phone 1. As you can see a retweet from Kalpi, the executive also reiterated his take on going with the Snapdragon 778G Plus SoC in a tweet posted in response to Input Ray Wrong. Like he has written, exclusive Nothing get paid confirmed to Input Mag that phone will be powered by Qualcomm mid-range Snapdragon 778G Plus chip. And replying to that, Kalpe said again that lots of gem in the comments and also lots of bad takes. Looking forward to July 12. So it seems like that Kalpe is hiding something more than that. Still, there is no price confirmation of Nothing 1. However, a recent report hinted that upcoming phone would be priced around $500, roughly around in Indian rupees 39,500 or 40k, you can say that. So the presence of the Snapdragon 778G Plus is not likely to help Nothing grab much attention from users who are looking to upgrade to top-end specifications. So this was the update from the Kalpe. Or 778G Plus is going to be in the Nothing Phone 1. So guys, if you have any questions, you can comment down below and we will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.
This the new wave, turn it up. I'm in the backseat chilling with your girl, what's up? She wanna talk all day, but I'm not in the mood. I'm trying to dance all night, I got something to do. I make hits for the people at home.